So here's how you can save a page to your favorites on the iPad, and let's get started. If you are new here, most definitely subscribe for more quick tutorials and explanations like this one. So it depends on where you're browsing that page. You might be using Safari web browser or even a third-party one, but if you are sticking with the Apple like official browser solution, you can get inside any of your favorite pages and then just tap on the share icon, and you can see that you can add it to the bookmarks or to the reading list, which are like all of the different places where you can save the page to. If you click on more option, you can see that you can even add it to your favorites and even to other places like to the home screen, for example. So as you can tell, there are plenty of ways and places where you can store and like add your favorite pages. But of course, most likely we're interested in the favorites, which is indicated by the star icon, so you can add it right there. And whenever you want to access it, you can just go to the sidebar and you should be able to see all of the different things which are going on in here. So you probably will see the favorites right there, or you can as well just start a new tab, click on edit, and make sure that the favorites show up every time you open up a new tab, and you will have quick access to your favorite saved pages. So that is another way how you can find it. Of course, if you are using like a third-party browser, for example Chrome, it's actually very similar. You just open up any website of your choice and you click on share, and you can as well add it to your bookmarks. It's also indicated by the star icon, but it's naturally a different browser, so it's gonna work a little bit different, but the whole process is exactly the same, that you like store the web pages which you often visit to or that you like. So let me know if you managed to do what you needed. I really hope I could help. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you and catch you later in the next videos too.